In this video guide, you will learn how to stake your energy on Gen 3. To be able to stake your coins, you will need Energy Core node and a Gen 3 account with a minimum of 1 energy. First, let's open the Energy Core node. Then search for Attach and open it as well. The Attach console allows us to execute commands accepted by the core node. In Attach console, type personal.listAccounts and hit enter. It will display your Gen 3 address. Copy the address. Then in Block Explorer, search your address to confirm that you have sufficient funds. Back in Attach console, type personal.unlockAccount, and then inside parentheses add these parameters: your Gen 3 account, null, 0, true. Enter your password. Congratulations, you've now successfully unlocked your account for staking. To confirm that, in Attach console, type miner.stakingstatus, followed by parentheses, and then hit enter. The displayed text will indicate your current staking status. The staking parameter should be true. In case it is set to false, wait for approximately 1 hour for your energy to mature. You can now close the Attach console. However, in order to keep on staking your energy, the core node has to keep on running. To check your staking rewards, go back to Block Explorer, click on Coin Balance History, and scroll down. Here you'll be able to see your staking rewards.